Password reset. If you're having trouble logging into your OCConnect Resource Center account, we've got you covered with an easy-to-navigate account recovery process. Simply go to the OCConnect login page at www.owenscorning.com/connect and click the Forgot Your Password link under the Login button. Now, all you have to do is type in the email address associated with your OCConnect account. Your account email address is also your username. Click Send Reset Instructions. If the information is accurate, you'll see a green bar appear towards the top of the page, letting you know the email will be sent shortly. It may take a few minutes to arrive. If you're not seeing the password reset email come through, be sure to check your spam folder or other miscellaneous folders in your inbox where the email might have landed. You can even try typing password in your email search function to locate the message. Once you find the email, click the red button that says Change My Password to create your new password. You'll be directed to a page to enter and confirm your new password. There are a few requirements to make sure you have a strong and secure password, so be sure to include at least one letter, one number, and one special character, like a symbol or punctuation mark. Then you'll re-enter that same password below to confirm, and click Change My Password. Now your password is reset, and you're ready to get to work on your OCConnect portal.